Hey guys, I'm Dan from Spirit of 76, and today I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Pyrolamas system and how it works with some of our 76 Pro line comets and mines. So these are the basic parts of the Pyrolamas system. The first part here is the aluminum profile. The way these work is they slide together, and then on the back there's a locking tab that allows them to lock together so they can't come apart. The other part is the supporting rib. This works for 5 arches, 7 arches, and 9 arches. And then we have angled pieces for doing specific angles. The X holder, this is for mounting devices. And then we have the 76 holder. And this is a custom part that we had made to work with our devices. With the Pyrolamas system, there's 3 basic layouts. Flat, you can do angled, and then you can do arches. I'm going to show you those 3 right now. So for the flat, we're going to take some of our profiles, slide them together, we're using the locking tabs to keep them in place so they don't come apart. And then you've got a flat surface where you can mount all of your devices straight up. The next basic layout is doing straight angles. For that, you're going to use these angled pieces like this. This is the 45-degree angle I have here. And so for that, you're just going to slide these on to the back side of one of your profiles. The final layout is doing arches with these. So for that, we're going to use the supporting ribs, which the ones I have here are 5, 7, and 11 profile arches, but the new ones that are available now are 5, 7, and 9 arches. Just one, they took 2 off on the newer versions. So I'll show you those now. For the 7 arch, I'm just going to add 2 profiles to it. And then if we were going to do the 9 arch, we would just add 2 more profiles, and there's another spot on the ribs to make that connection on the ends. The last thing I'm going to talk about here is mounting devices. So for that, we have 2 options. There's the X holder. For this, what you're going to do is you're going to use zip ties, thread them through. Then take your device, slide it through, tighten that up, and then this will slide right on here, like that. The other option is what we're calling the 76 holder. This is a plastic injection molded part, which you can slide these on. And then to mount the devices, these just slide right over the top. Right like that. The advantage of these ones, the X holders, is that these work with almost any device. You can actually mount oddball size things, so like for the gerbs, and then also the flame pots, these mount really well to the X holders. The disadvantage to these is that you have to use zip ties every time. It's not a big deal if you're doing one or two, but when you get into doing dozens or hundreds of these, the zip ties are just terrible on your fingers, and it turns out to be really time consuming. You spend a lot of time working with the zip ties. So the 76 holder just makes it about 10 times easier to install your devices. You can do them super fast. Just match them, throw them down. And these will actually work with our 50mm mines as well as our 40mm comets, just the same. The other advantage to using the 76 holders, I'm going to show you here. With this fully loaded, with one profile, you can fit with the X holders 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the 40mm comets, like that. And then if we're using the 76 holder, we can actually fit, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can get nine devices per profile using the 76 holder on the 40mm. The 50mm, this is the 50mm mines. You can get about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 devices per profile with the X holders. Using the 76 holder, be able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 devices per profile. So that was our quick overview of the Pyrolamas system. Thanks for watching, guys.